Welcome coders. In this video we are going to start a new series about Python, and in this video we will learn how to download and install Python. And you can here see this is a Python programming language official website python.org, and this link is given in description. You can directly go and check out. And I am going to download the latest version of Python for Windows. You can see here this is a download Python 3.8.5 version, latest version for Windows. And if you have any different other OS, then you can here check out here these links. Basically I have Windows 10, so I am going to click here. Just click on Python, download Python. Okay, and okay, so it is about 25 MB. I will pause the video to save time. And you can see here this is about going to complete download. Okay, then let's open it. Okay, next, okay, install this location, customize installation. Okay, next, okay, I will choose another location. Okay, I will install here, and in this I will make new folder Python. Okay, and see, basically this is some other advanced options. If you want to check this or keep it as a default, okay, I will check this. And okay, and click on install and give permission. Okay, and again I'm going to pause the video. It will several times to install this because I think it may be about 300 to 400 MB. Okay, so I will pause this video for this time. Okay friends, our setup is completed. I am going to close and press the Windows button and search IDLE, and you will be see here. Okay, this is our basic shell programming. Okay, and you can click here and you can simply press Ctrl+N and you will be see here, and here we have to code. Okay, we are going to write our first program, and Python it is a very easy to read and write, and I'm going to simply print our first program. And you can see we doesn't require semicolon or any brackets over. Actually Python is taking space as a brackets, and we will learn in future that we will see how it works. Okay, and click it to save. Okay, and I'm going to save it as hello world .py. okay, and simply click on run module. Okay, you can see here our first program is successfully run, and thanks for watching. And if you have any queries or questions, you can ask in comments. And thanks for watching, and if you like video, then like video and you can subscribe to channel. And thanks for watching.